Salesforce Specialist Certification 1. What is Salesforce Data Cloud? Answer. Salesforce Data Cloud, formerly Genie, is a real-time platform that unifies customer data from multiple sources into a single customer profile. It enables personalization at scale, real-time engagement, and AI-powered insights across Salesforce applications. 2. How does Data Cloud help insurance agents in Agentforce? Answer. Data Cloud provides insurance agents with a 360-degree view of their customers by integrating data from policy systems, service records, marketing interactions, and more. This allows agents to deliver personalized service and make informed recommendations in real time. 3. What is the role of identity resolution in Data Cloud? Answer. Identity resolution helps merge data from different sources by matching identifiers like email, phone, and name to create a unified customer profile, removing duplicates and enabling a consistent view of the customer across platforms. 4. What is a data model object DMO in Data Cloud? Answer. A DMO is a standardized object structure used in Data Cloud to organize and relate data. Examples include individual, contact point, and interaction summary. These DMOs are foundational to building unified profiles and activating insights. Chapter 5. How does Data Cloud ensure data compliance and privacy? Answer. Data Cloud supports data governance with built-in tools for consent management, encryption, data masking, and compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Users can configure access controls and usage policies. 6. What is the purpose of segments in Data Cloud? Answer. Segments are dynamic groups of customers defined based on specific criteria, e.g., age, location, product owned. Agents and marketers use segments to personalize outreach and campaigns using real-time insights. Number 7. How does Data Cloud integrate with Marketing Cloud and Service Cloud? Answer. Data Cloud feeds unified real-time data into Marketing Cloud for personalized campaigns and into Service Cloud for context-aware service interactions, helping deliver seamless customer experiences across departments. 8. What is streaming data ingestion in Data Cloud? Answer. Streaming data ingestion allows real-time data from events like website activity, transactions, or IoT devices to flow into Data Cloud instantly, enabling timely actions and up-to-date profiles. 9. How do agents use calculated insights in Data Cloud? Answer. Calculated insights are derived metrics, like customer lifetime value or next best action, generated using rules and AI. Agents use them to prioritize leads, tailor recommendations, and improve sales outcomes. Number 10. What's the difference between Data Lake and Data Cloud in Salesforce? Answer. A data lake stores vast amounts of raw, unstructured data for analysis. Salesforce Data Cloud, on the other hand, is purpose-built for unified customer profiles, real-time data processing, and activation across Salesforce apps. What types of data sources can be connected to Salesforce Data Cloud? Answer. Salesforce Data Cloud supports integration with CRM systems, cloud storage, Google Cloud, Azure, ERP systems, social media, web and mobile apps, marketing platforms, and third-party APIs via connectors or MuleSoft. What is the role of the unified profile in Data Cloud? Answer. The unified profile aggregates and harmonizes customer data from multiple sources into one comprehensive record. It gives agents real-time access to demographics, behaviors, preferences, and transaction history. 13. How does Data Cloud support AI and Einstein for agents? Answer. Data Cloud fuels Einstein AI with real-time, unified customer data. This enhances predictive scoring and next best actions and lead recommendations, helping agents engage smarter and faster. 14. What is activation in Data Cloud? Answer. Activation refers to using the enriched customer data and segments from Data Cloud across Salesforce applications, like Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, or Service Cloud, or external platforms for real-time engagement. 15. What is a data stream in Data Cloud? Answer. A data stream is a configured data pipeline that brings external data into Salesforce Data Cloud. It can be batch-based or real-time and maps incoming data to data model objects. 16. What are lookup relationships in Data Cloud? Answer. Lookup relationships define how different data model objects MOs are connected. For example, linking an individual DMO to an interaction DMO helps trace specific customer interactions. 17. What is harmonization in Data Cloud? Answer. Harmonization is the process of transforming, cleansing, and mapping raw data from various systems into a consistent format that fits Salesforce's standard data model, DMOs. 18. How does DataCloud handle real-time personalization for customers? Answer: DataCloud enables real-time personalization by instantly reacting to customer behaviors, like clicks or purchases, and updating profiles and segments, allowing agents and systems to respond with relevant actions. 19. What is the use of data spaces in DataCloud? Answer: data spaces are logical environments that isolate data, configurations, and users within DataCloud. They help enterprises manage multiple business units or regions securely and independently. 20. How does DataCloud improve operational efficiency for agents in the field? Answer: by giving field agents real time access to unified profiles, predictive insights, and updated customer interactions, DataCloud reduces manual research, shortens service time, and boosts cross selling and upselling opportunities. 21. What is a calculated insight template in DataCloud? Answer: a calculated insight template is a pre built formula or logic that helps generate metrics like purchase frequency, churn risk, or engagement score. Agents can apply these templates to quickly gain key performance metrics. 22. How does DataCloud enable cross channel engagement for insurance agents? Answer: by consolidating interaction data from email, web, mobile, and phone, DataCloud helps agents understand customer preferences and engage consistently across preferred channels, enhancing customer satisfaction and conversion. 23. What is the benefit of using DataCloud in lead routing? Answer: with real time customer data and calculated insights, DataCloud allows intelligent lead routing, automatically assigning leads to the most qualified agent based on skills, history, or geography. 24. How does DataCloud help with churn prediction in Agentforce? Answer: by analyzing behavior patterns and engagement signals, DataCloud generates churn prediction scores. Agents can use these to proactively reach out and retain at risk customers with personalized offers or solutions. 25. Can DataCloud support external ad platforms like Google or Meta? Answer: yes. DataCloud enables activation of segments to external platforms like Google Ads and Meta for targeted ad campaigns, allowing agents or marketers to re engage customers beyond Salesforce. 26. How does DataCloud handle data latency issues? Answer: DataCloud uses real time ingestion and processing pipelines to minimize latency. Streaming data sources allow for updates within seconds, ensuring agents have the most current data available. What is the role of Snowflake in Salesforce Data Cloud? Answer: Salesforce Data Cloud supports native integration with Snowflake, enabling secure real-time data sharing without data movement. This allows agents to access relevant insights directly from Snowflake without duplication. 28. How can agents use consent management in Data Cloud? Answer: agents can view and respect customer preferences using consent metadata captured in Data Cloud. This ensures interactions and outreach are compliant with privacy laws like GDPR or HIPAA. 29. What is zero copy architecture in Data Cloud? Answer: zero copy architecture allows Data Cloud to access and query external data, e.g., in Snowflake, without physically copying it. This maintains data freshness and reduces storage costs. 30. How is Customer 360 built using Data Cloud? Answer: Customer 360 in Data Cloud is built by linking and unifying various data model objects, such as profiles, transactions, and interactions, into a single, real-time view that empowers agents to act with full context. How does Data Cloud support real-time event-driven actions for agents? Answer: Data Cloud can trigger real-time actions, like case creation, notifications, or personalized messages, based on streaming event data, such as a customer making a claim or visiting a pricing page. 32. What is data mapping in Salesforce Data Cloud? Answer: data mapping connects incoming data fields from external sources to standardized data model object DMO fields. This ensures consistency and accurate profile unification for agent visibility. 33. What is a data lake object? DLO. Answer: a data lake object stores raw ingested data within Data Cloud before transformation. It helps in maintaining a copy of source data for auditing or deep analysis and supports advanced ETL operations. 34. How can agents use interaction summaries in Data Cloud? Answer: interaction summaries store events like service calls, web visits, or quote requests. Agents use them to understand recent activity and tailor responses during sales or support conversations. 35. What is the difference between batch and streaming ingestion in DataCloud? Answer. Batch ingestion processes large data sets at scheduled intervals, e.g., once daily. Streaming ingestion pulls data in real time, updating profiles instantly, ideal for time sensitive agent workflows. 36. How can agents benefit from AI models integrated with DataCloud? Answer. AI models can process real time unified profiles to offer predictive recommendations, e.g., upsell opportunities, risk scores, which agents use to personalize conversations and improve conversion rates. 37. What's the purpose of DataCloud policies and classifications? Answer. They enforce data governance by tagging data as PII, sensitive, or restricted. This helps control agent access and ensures legal compliance in how customer data is viewed and used. 38. What is the use of lookback windows in segmentation? Answer. Lookback windows define the time frame, e.g., last 30 days, for evaluating customer behavior. This lets agents target recent activity like claims filed, renewals due, or product interest. 39. How can insurance agents use next best action with DataCloud? Answer. Using real-time unified data and AI, DataCloud surfaces the next best action, such as suggesting a policy upgrade, scheduling a consultation, or addressing a claim concern, based on customer context. 40. What is real-time profile enrichment in DataCloud? Answer. It's the process of continuously updating customer profiles with new incoming data from every channel, web, call center, email, etc., giving agents the most accurate and timely insights for engagement. 41. How does DataCloud contribute to faster onboarding of new agents? Answer. DataCloud provides immediate access to comprehensive customer profiles, automated insights, and guided next steps, helping new agents make informed decisions quickly without digging through multiple systems. 42. What is DataCloud's role in supporting omnichannel customer engagement? Answer. DataCloud centralizes interaction history and preferences across channels like phone, email, chat, and social media, helping agents deliver consistent and personalized service regardless of channel. 43. How can agents use historical data trends in DataCloud? Answer. Agents can analyze long-term trends, like policy renewals, claim patterns, or customer lifetime value, using historical data in DataCloud to forecast customer needs and personalize conversations. Mana 44. What are activation targets in DataCloud? Answer. Activation targets are destinations where segmented or enriched data is sent, such as Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, external platforms, or mobile apps, enabling action based on DataCloud insights. 45. How does DataCloud support mobile agents in the field? Answer. By syncing unified profiles and insights with Salesforce mobile app, field agents can access real-time customer data, recent interactions, and personalized recommendations even while on the move. 46. What is the benefit of using DataCloud with Slack? Answer. DataCloud can trigger real-time alerts and surface insights directly into Slack channels, helping teams and agents collaborate instantly and act quickly on high-priority customer events. 47.